my previous vlog is getting edited by the time you see this particular scene. I think you'll already see this vlog. And it's what's up guys, kaise ho? Eleanor, hope everyone is doing great. And vlog just started now. Time is already 12:30. I got up like early in the morning. I've been editing this vlog last night and today morning as well. It is like almost 20 minutes long. I don't know, most of you guys, some people don't like long videos because it consumes a lot of their personal time. But a lot of you people, you wanted like proper long vlogs. Demand is more, so I'm trying to create more. And in my last vlog, my wife tried vlogging with this camera, especially with this setup. The camera itself is like very huge and heavy, and then the tripod and then the mic. My wife found it like very heavy. So even if I wanted her to help me a little bit by holding this camera, it was very difficult for her. Actually, I'm also curious to know what this camera weighs. Let's check it. This is my weighing scale. Let me put you right there. It says 2 kilos, but I don't think it is more. This is a proper human scale. I don't think this is giving accurate measurements. Actually, I have a kitchen scale where I measure my food and all that. I can weigh up to 7 kilos on that. Maybe I'll try on that. There is a camera and it weighs 1990 grams. Actually, even the human scale was showing correct. 1990 grams, almost 2 kgs. 2 kgs is technically not that heavy, but when you hold it like this for a long time, your shoulders definitely pain. We have the Seltos, we have the Street Twin, we have the Dio, we have the Verna. But still, there is some kind of emptiness. Do you guys feel it? That spot, which is reserved for the Tiger. The Tiger is not there, dude. I'm missing the Tiger. But not to worry, it's gonna come in the next week, max 3 to 4 days more. It's in transit right now. For now, I'm going to meet a couple of my friends, and we are all, today is Sunday, so they planned a small cricket match. I'm not like really interested in cricket match and all that, but we're not doing anything much at home today. No family plans, nothing, so I thought at least I'll go spend some time there. And it's a very boring afternoon. Right now, time is 3 o'clock, almost 3 o'clock. I know I'll not play cricket, but let's try. And that's pretty close, 13 kilometers, 31 minutes. Actually, my friends booked a ground. Oh, these days my friends are not only booking bikes, but they're booking grounds to play cricket. Cool. One quick thing I wanted to talk about the Seltos. I've been talking a lot of positive about the Seltos. The service is good as per now. In the first 1000 kilometers, it was good. But there is one thing I would like to point out. Not about the service, but about the car itself. You know what? I feel somehow, I don't know, I personally feel, I think my Hyundai Verna has more premium feel than the Seltos. That's for sure. Not in the drive quality and all that, but drive quality Seltos is much better, no doubt about that. But I'm talking about the interiors, the buttons, the steering wheel, small things that you usually keep touching. Somehow I feel those are not that premium compared to the Verna. And oh yes, one more thing I miss. You see the volume control here? It's via touch. I miss a proper haptic knob. I think a knob would be much better. First 1268 kilometers are finished as of date. Let's see if I do long drives in this, and if I keep using it more and more, maybe after like 5,000-6,000 kilometers, or maybe after 10,000 kilometers, I'll come to know more in depth about the Seltos. And more importantly, not about the car, how is the customer support, how is the after sales, that is more important. Let's see if Kia can keep up to that. Seriously, literally took me forever to find this place. Choda sa gali mein I went and I got blocked. Everyone came in the cars except for Chandi. He came on his Super Sport. Am I allowed inside? The gate there on, huh? Joker! Edwin, how is the game going on?
Good for now.
I just saw on live TV that you people are playing really well, so I thought might as well come and check it out live.
What live TV?
Live TV lo vastundi anta telecast.
Eppudu? Evaru pettaru?
Doordarshan lo.
Sare.
Opening by Sriman Kotaru, already bowling Kia, and I was good it seems. Arshit?
Yeah, pretty much for the first match. Now you are getting opening.
Now opening batting first time.
వచ్చేసడానికి ఆడదురు కొట్టడానికి ఆడు.
నాకేమనిపించింది తెలుసా, ఆట తక్కువ తిండి ఎక్కువ ఉంది. చిప్స్, ఆలు భుజియా, వాటర్ బాటిల్, హైడ్ అండ్ సీక్, శానిటైజర్, సుజన్ యాంగిల్స్, మ్యాడ్ యాంగిల్స్, Oreo, Minute Maid, Oreo. Then you people often play like this?
Every Sunday.
Seriously, every Sunday? Hello. అప్పుడు ఇంకెక్కడ ఆడుతుండే కదా?
This ground is cheaper and it's bigger.
How much is this?
800 rupees per hour.
So 2 hours?
We are playing for 3 hours.
3 hours. 2,400 rupees, pretty cheap.
ఇంతమంది ఆడితే 200 rupees per head.
Oh, how many are there?
14 people.
నన్ను ఏకండి స్పిట్లో నేను ఆడట్లే.
Batting ball end వేస్ట్ సాలే.
వచ్చినందుకు 200 బొక్క. బాహుబలి ఈ మధ్యగా అనిపిస్తలేవు. భీమవరంలో ఉంటాం. దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ yesterday was not there in Charan's party. Charan, how was the response yesterday?
Response?
అంటే నీ ఫుడ్ రెస్పాన్స్
Good, I guess.
తినోళ్ళు చెప్పాలి.
I didn't eat the pizza.
దున్నపోట్ల తిన్నాడు.
ఏం తెలియదు.
You had chance, but you were outside most of the
I
time.
didn't eat.
అరే దీనికి కూడా
Call
పెట్టినవరా
all the time on the call. Somehow today a lot of people got cars, including me. You can see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cars. The only true biker is
Yes.
Panda got a new car. It's a Honda City, and the Honda City new one, 2021 version, 2020 version. Nice.
Let's exchange.
That new smell. Nice. Oh, interiors look nice, dude.
Decent. They're not jazzy, but
Even stock, huh?
no.
You put these seats. Okay.
At the time, I did not have top end model available.
Oh, this is mid-end.
This is mid version. VX CVT.
That means it is petrol.
Yeah, petrol.
Nowadays everyone is
No
buying
diesel.
petrol.
Diesel is gone.
Yeah. हमारे पे DCT petrol. By the way, yesterday he drove my car. How do you like it?
Excellent. The turbo kick in.
Turbo kick gives you that nice kick.
But I must tell, both the cars are extremely good. So it's like
I'll tell you one
tossing
thing.
a coin.
I'll tell you one thing. I got this car like 1.5 months ago. I finished 1200 kilometers. He got this car like 1 week ago. He's finished 2000 kilometers in 1 week.
Yeah.
That is because he went for a south trip. Chalo, we're going to Ahoy. Ahoy.
Yeah.
It is so funny looking at this scene right now. Each one of us came in one car, and there are like almost 10 cars, 10 people, 10 cars, and this looks like a proper political rally scene. And that too, most of our cars are white, and most of them are compact SUVs. I mean, people are looking at us like some rally is going on. Seriously, look at this. That too, there is a Fortuner leading. పెళ్లి భోజనానికి వచ్చినట్టు ఉంది. పెళ్లి కార్లు వేసుకొని ఒక 10 కార్లు అక్కడ టర్నింగ్ టర్నింగ్ ప్రాపర్ ర్యాలీ.
విలేజ్ మాత్రం క్రేజీ.
ఎడ్విన్ రూట్ ఎలా కనుక్కున్నావు?
ఎవరో ఈ రూట్ లో పట్టుకొచ్చింది. అంత మంచి రోడ్ ఉంటే ఈ రూట్ లో
గేట్ పడుతుంది.
అంటే ఇక్కడ కూడా గేట్ పడుతుంది. క్రాస్ చేసిన మొదలు కానీ ఇదే ట్రాక్.
అది యూ కెన్ టేక్ అవుట్ యువర్ మాస్క్ ప్లీజ్.
వాడికి మొన్న ఫీవర్
స్మూత్ చేసి
అంటే వాడికి మొన్న ఫీవర్ వచ్చింది. మాస్క్ వేసుకుంటే
ఎవరు వచ్చి కొంచెం బక్కగాడు,
కొంచెం
లైట్ గా
బుక్కలు తప్ప ఏం కనపట్లేదు.
ఒకటేనా?
బక్కగా నేను మాట్లాడద్దు కొన్ని రోజులు.
నాతో రండిరా.
హాయ్ హాయ్. Yeah, click. Bye. So we are gonna drive the Honda City, new Honda City, Naresh ka, and we'll give the first hand impressions. ఉండదు అది పడ్డది అనుకో ప్లీజ్ సార్. we spent a lot సార్, అప్పు చేసి మరి
ఉన్నారా?
పడింది అనుకో బిల్లు నీకే.
నీ కెమెరా నేను తీసేసుకో.
Okay, so what do we have here? Where is start? Push start. Oh, here. Whoa. Nice. Interior looks very nice, modern, futuristic. Only thing I don't like is digital. This is digital now. I like it analog. Abhi bikes mein it's all gone. Most of the bikes are like digital. Ooh, instant pull. Okay, one thing I don't like is, first thing, there are no guidelines. What do you call this? They don't move with the steering wheel. Okay, now I got used to a compact SUV, so we need to be careful with the ground clearance. Honda is Honda, dude. So smooth. I can only hear the tire noise.
Tokku.
Where is the engine?
Tokku.
And going.
To be honest, your Seltos is more smoother, right?
Okay, Charan feels, and actually even I feel, it is smooth Honda, no doubt, but Seltos is, why are we comparing? We shouldn't compare, but because I'm driving both the cars, I'm comparing it. I think Seltos is much smoother, the petrol engine. Seating position is good, better than the Verna, I think. I miss the turbo charger. Okay, yeah, that instant pull is not there, and there is gear lag. So Naresh was telling me instant, it's not that great, instant pull, especially if you're in the speeds of say 30-40 kilometers an hour. But if you're doing like above 70 or 80 kilometers an hour, he told me it's very powerful. I think the torque comes after 70 kilometers an hour. Is this petrol? Petrol only, yes, he told me it's
Suju,
petrol.
when we drove, we were confused. Petrol or diesel?
Yeah, actually, there is sound, like engine sound is there. Or
Okay.
maybe the insulation.
Insulation is not that great.
I think engine is smooth, but insulation is not that great. Arey, where did we come,
Chapel
dude?
market indra.
His
Ulki padi jarutadu.
His dad's road, you know. Arey, at poach antava. Full throttle, okay? 1, 2. కష్టపడుతుంది కొంచెం.
Paddle shifters unnadi.
Oh, this got paddle shifters. Nice. How
Sport.
do I put it in sport?
Press and yeah.
Okay, this is sport. Arey, lovely. I mean, the paddle shifters are good. Can you people hear the noise? It's too loud. Arey, but it is so stable. Can you feel it? Very smooth. I love the paddle shifters, dude. This is one thing I miss in the Seltos. City mein, if you want to zip and do all that, it's not peppy. How much mileage are you getting?
12.4.
Average 12.4. Good.
Good.
For a petrol, it is good. And we are on our most famous highway, Hyderabad-Nagpur highway. Lot of memories on this highway, right from punctures, losing phones.
You and Shiva have more memories on this route.
Shiva lost his phone on this highway. I like it on the highway. High speed made is really good.
High phase, good.
Very stable. Yeah, that's it. That's our first ride impressions of the new Honda City 2020 automatic CVT. So right now we are checking Honda stability. We place the camera on the dashboard. Chennai is doing.
If you don't believe,
Yeah, actually. Ante.
now
Oh, nice place to vlog, dude. Right now we're testing the stability of the Honda City.
పడితే నాకు
If you play
సంబంధం
this,
లేదు.
it's falling, it's falling. గుండె జారుతుంది దాంతో పాటు.
అంటే
Overall review rating of the Honda City.
I gave my
As a passenger, actually you drove it right before. I think highway driving
as
to
a
9 out of 10.
as a passenger, you are very comfortable.
Highway riding, highway driving.
I mean, comfortable anywhere, city or highway.
Oh, definitely recommend. And especially we have to talk about the
Right.
rare leg space.
Leg space.
Too good. Varna में तो इतना place नहीं है पक्का. It is better than the Seltos in the rear. Yes, अंतर leg
Yeah,
space
it is.
ఉండదు. Now I am worried about my car. Where is my car?
Your car,
Naresh is driving my car. Where is he? Honda headaడు. Genuine tension.